Recording the sewer line at 536 North 102nd. Date is December 6, 2021. Making this recording from the exposed stack here in the house that's being worked on. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main. I've zeroed out the footage. We're going to pull back from this point, get an accurate count on footage. 6-inch diameter concrete stub coming up to a 6-inch diameter clay side sewer line. Seam approximately every 2 feet. I'm going to go locate this spot as we're getting back kind of property line in. There's a tie-in right here on the side of this pipe. Poke in here, pausing and locating.